Hello friends, I am 𝒑𝒐𝒏. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting and all viewers for watching the video. So today's question is based on inequality. It's a very simple question. Given x, y, z greater than 0, x plus y plus z equals to 1. Prove that 1 plus 1 over x into 1 plus 1 over y multiplies 1 plus 1 over z is greater than equals to 64. So this is a simple question because if we apply this arithmetic geometric mean, we can get the answer very easily. But before that, let me analyze this question because I'll rewrite this question. How? Now, to prove to 1 plus 1 by y multiplies 1 plus 1 by z is greater than equals to 64. This is same as 1 plus x by x multiplies 1 plus y over y multiplies 1 plus z over z is greater than 64. Or this to prove 1 plus x multiplies 1 plus y multiplies 1 plus z is greater than equals to 64xyz. So here I am taking each term. Suppose 1 plus x, it is can be written as, instead of 1 I'll write x plus y plus z and plus x. So there are 4 terms here, x, y, z, x. I'll apply arithmetic mean is greater than equals to their geometric mean. So x plus y plus z plus x over 4 is greater than equals to 4th root of your x square y into z. Or so 1 plus x is greater than equals to 4 times and 4th root of x square y z. Similarly, we can prove 1 plus y is greater than equals to 4 times 4th root of x y square z, and 1 plus z is greater than equals to 4 times of 4th root of x y z square. So this is relation 1, inequality 2, inequality 3. Now multiplying 3 inequalities, we'll get 1 plus x multiplies 1 plus y multiplies 1 plus z greater than equals to 4 into 4 into 4 and 4th root of x square y z, x y square z and x y z square. Or 1 plus x, 1 plus y, 1 plus z is greater than equals to 64, and this is 4th root of x power 4, y power 4, z power 4, that will be xyz. Hence proved. Thank you for watching.